Po ako.
Ang English tayong hindi naiintindihan, guys. Like yung mga wrong grammar. Mag-English po tayo.
Hey yo, what's up bro?
Hindi ganyan.
Ginawa to?
Hindi
I
yan.
don't know what to.
I don't know you guys.
Yung nagluluto yung mga jowa.
Si ano, yung Jose. Yung Jose. Yung nakikita niyo yan. Yung Jose, nagluluto sa Stockholm Biglang. Tinanong niya. Guys, are you freaking dumb?
Tawa ka mo?
Guys, how are you too? Guys, how are you too? Are you serious?
Wala na test train. Ganyan na yan.
Wag na, babasa mo na. Guys, are you crazy?
Maanak kasi.
English only.
English ulit.
Yeah, English only.
Minsan kasi.
Ang katinang.
She said here today is so very good.
Oy!
Ano yun? Naniligaw na ako sa bahay.
Are you dam yung yung tabke?
Tuwang-tuwa. Ay, yung lopa to. Ay, sinusunod mo ako sa bahay.
Guys, are you? Puro na lang are you?
Ano na lang yung alam nyo?
Do you know how to speak
I don't know.
Tagalog? I don't know Tagalog. I only know English.
Chinese?
I only know English.
Why you don't know how to speak English? English?
I don't care.
Very good, very good, very good. May box to bone ng dalawa dito.
Wow, kala mo talaga eh. Magkapampangan naman tayo.
Magkapampangan
Yun,
naman tayo.
magkapampangan. Ay, nanalo.
Makanyan ka na.
Kakanyang-kanyan ka kan. Bala mo.
Nakatagal na ako.
Kanida mo. English na lang para maganda.
Hindi, kapampangan tayo.
Oh, iba-iba. Balang na kung hindi tayo magkaintindihan.
O, di Chinese, sige.
English akin. Thailander.
Tang kapampangan ako.
Are you kapampangan?
Yes,
I'm from Canada. Cherries.
British na lang sa akin. British?
I don't care. This is salaan. It's nasunog. This is pangkay. What is this? This is pangkay dan cheese.
Ito na.
Only Philippines can understand.
Bumutag ka.
Why are you laughing?
It's very so funny.
I care for what?
Okay, you're so too loud to funny.
To laugh pala. To laugh.
You're so too. Problema ko, paano ko i-strain?
This is the strainer.
Ito yan niya. Uy, wait lang.
This is very clumsy. Look at this, guys. Dapa ko is tumunod. The isa is
Nakaupo. Dito kayo magsalita. Gagawin mo sila.
guys, I'm from Canada. And this is from Thailand. The other one is from Korea.
Korea?
She is dangerous.
It's dangerous. Ano ka ba? Nakahipa ka ba, be? This is dangerous and heterogeneous.
What is heterogeneous? I don't like the pancit. Pancit? Canton? What is that? You're so full. I don't like to eat that.
Hindi mo ka kumain.
Whatever. My tummy is crap.
What? Crap? Sabi na ako maingin.
Yeah, it's true.
Ano ba?
Oh, hi guys, how are you there? She is dancing and she likes singing. She is dangerous, right? I'm so shy to ano? You guys follow me to TikTok and Instagram to be a professional, famous. Yun. Tama na kayo.